Hi friends, you are a new viewer for our channel. Please subscribe our channel and touch the bell icon. This kind of good videos will come to your mobile.
Guys, welcome to our channel. Happy Sunday for you. Today we have to discuss such an important topic. All the students are waiting the topic from our channel, that nothing but similar triangles. Yes, this topic is very important for state level and CBS level. Most of the students are maybe confusing about the concept of similar triangle, but you don't worry, because our motto is every student must be rid out of their phobia of mathematics. So in this way I am going to my style. I have to explain to you. You have to I assure you have to understand 100%ly. First of all, before going to start this topic, I want to ask put some questions in front of you. That questions are, you see, what are the photographs? Who are there? Yes, your well-wisher Srinivas is there. In that, my photos are three sizes are there. One is stamp size, one is passport size, one is large size. In these three, who are there? Me only there. All are similar. All are similar figures only, similar photographs only. Right, my dear students, very nice. And what is similarity? So far we studied about congruence of geometrical figures, some symmetric relations. We studied in previous classes. But in this chapter we shall consider some figures are having some shape only, not size. Some figures are having, we may observe in our daily life, same shape and same size. What are the name of the particular condition type of figures? Yes, we can say that name of is called similarity. Another name is called congruency. What is similar? You can say very easy. Any two figures, any two triangles, any two squares, any two trees, any two hills. For suppose in always you went for your grandmother village. While going time, you should observe the trees and hills, whatever it is, nature. In that you might be understand the two hills are, these two hills are like looking like a similarity of hills, similarity of trees. But when you are going to near the hill, near the tree, the size may or may not be, will be changed. Am I right or not? So such figures are called similar figures. For example, you should observe the corners of the carom board. Yes, all the corners are equal manner, then it is called congruence figures. This is a just small example I explained to you. You can take such any example, that all are called, you might know, you come to understand which is similar, which is congruence. Clearly, I hope that you have to understand what is similarity. Says here one squares are there, here triangles are there, here circles are there. You see, these squares all are looking like a similars, but not same size, like this increased. Now these triangles are all are looking similar, but sizes will be different. Now circles are all are looking similar, but not size is same. So dear student, such figures are having same shape but not same size. Such figures are called, such geometrical phenomena is called similarity. Similarity of figures, similarity of triangles, similarity of polygons, like that. What is congruence? Simple. If such a figures are having same shape and also same size, such figures are called congruence figures. Dear friends, what is the main difference between similarity and congruence? Is simple. Similar figures are having same shape only, not size. But congruence figure must have the exactly have the same shape and size also. Dear friends, let me say some example, then you can understand 100%. These four examples you have to understand. Any two line segments are similar. Yes, here three type of line segments are given, AB, PQ and respectively XY. These are similar or not? Can you guess it? This length is 2, this length is 4, this length is 8. You can take the ratio. These three line segments are getting same ratio. So increasing also 2 to part like that. It is similar. Now these two squares also similar. Now ratio will be 4, here 2. Here any two sides you can take, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2 you should get. So all the sides are equal in a square, all the ratios also equal, then it is in similar. Now triangles also, 3 by 6, 4 by 8, 5 by 10. 3 by 6, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. We should get equal ratio. These two are similar. But it will be 2 times of this smaller circle. 2 times of. So it is increasing in order. So it is also similar. Now you have to understand about similarity of figures. Now the definition simple, we can say that if a two polygons or if a two triangles are said to be similar figure, it has same shape but not in size. If a two triangles or if a two polygons are said to be congruents, it must have, it exactly have same shape and same size. Now let you see the one diagrammatically I should explain what is similarity, what is congruence. Let us see. These are mastics. These mastics are, I have to make a triangles. You have to see these two triangles are looking like a similarity. Similarity, congruency. Can you guess it? For example, these two triangles are overlapping it or coincide it. Depend on each other. It is looking like a one triangle, then it is called congruency. It is looking like a two different type of triangles, it is called similarity. Because congruence means same shape and same size, you know. These two triangles I am going to coincide it. It is looking like a one triangle. It is looking like a one triangle. Yes. These two triangles are called congruence. Now let you see one more triangle. This is also looking like a two similar triangles, but I am going to make it, it is looking like a one triangle or different triangles. It is not looking like a one triangle. It is not looking like a one triangle. So then this example of similarity of triangles. First one example of congruence triangles. Second one example is nothing but similarity of triangles. Now today we are going to conduct the one match between congruent versus similarity. That IPL match, like a 2020 match, like that we should discuss. Let us see congruent versus similarity. Any two line segments are similar or congruent. Any two triangles are similar or congruent. Dear students, any two triangles are similar or congruent. Congruent, you know very well the idea. The similarity of figures, you know very well idea, just now discussed in the previous video. Now the congruent versus similarity, between these two topics we have to go with one match. In that, what are the congruent figures, what are the similar figures, which is satisfied. Let us see here. Any two line segments similar or congruent. AB 4 cm. Where is 4 cm here? Yes, you are right. XY. That means AB congruent to XY. This is the symbolical notation of congruency. Congruency. AB congruence to XY. Now AB congruence to XY. Now 2 cm, 2 cm. That means PQ also congruence to LM. PQ congruence to LM. And what about AB and PQ? What about XY and LM? That's it. Yes, AB similar to PQ, right? And XY similar to LM. Here AB congruence to XY, it is clear because 4 cm, 4 cm, it is clear. Same shape, same size. But AB not congruence to PQ because it is similar. Similar. This is a notation of similarity. Now same the way PQ is congruence to LM, but XY is similar to LM only. Now let us see one more example. In these three triangles, what are the two triangles are congruous? What are the two triangles are similar? Simple. 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. Clear? Therefore, triangle ABC congruous to triangle XYZ. Triangle ABC congruous to triangle XYZ. Clear? Or ZYX, whatever it is, you can take it. And but what about this one? Simple. Triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR, right? Or else triangle XYZ also similar to triangle PQR. Here congruency, here similarity. You might be understand by seeing these two examples. Any two objects, any two geometrical figures which is having same shape and same size, then it is called congruence. Only same shape, then it is called similarity. When all two triangles are similar. When all two triangles are similar, yes, two triangles are said to be similar. It must have two conditions. One, first condition is the corresponding angles are equal and the corresponding sides are in the same ratio or proportion. Once again I repeat that. When the two triangles are said to be similar, when the two polygons are said to be similar, by seeing these two examples, by seeing these diagrammatical explanation, then you can understand these two triangles are similar or not. Let us see. Triangle ABC having 3 sides, 3 angles. Triangle PQR also having 3 different sides, 3 angles. What is the condition just now? Recall it. Yes, when the two triangles are said to be similar, it must have corresponding sides or corresponding angles are equal. See friends, here first angle is what? A. Here what is the first angle is what? P. Here what is the second angle of first triangle is B. What is the second angle of second triangle is Q. Now C equals to R. When the 3 angles are equal, we can say, we can represent it like this also. Angle A also can be written as BAC. Angle P also can be written as QPR. Angle B can be written as ABC, angle ABC. Like that, angle Q also we can written as PQR. Don't confuse it. Here what is the middle number will be there, that is the angle. What is the middle value letter will be there, that is the angle. Here middle letter B, here B. Here middle letter Q, here Q. Here middle letter is C, here C. Middle letter is R, here also R. When the 3 angles are equal and corresponding sides are in the same ratio. What are the corresponding sides here? AB by PQ. 2 enlarged to 4 cm. 2 cm enlarged into 4 cm in equal manner. So that is the reason AB by PQ. AB value 2, PQ value 4 substitute, and BC 3 volume, base is 3, here also 6, enlarged into 6 cm. Now AC by PR, AC value 5, PR value 10 cm. 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja, 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja, 5 1 ja, 5 2 ja. We are getting equal ratio. Yes, we are getting equal ratio. Then we can say that therefore triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. This is your answer, dear friends. We can represent a triangle ACB, PRQ also correct. Triangle BCA or QRB also correct. But don't say like this. ABC, PRQ. It is not in order. We can say clockwise direction or anti-clockwise direction. That is very important, dear friends. Now by seeing these conditions, corresponding angles are equal and corresponding sides are in the same ratio, then we can say that by the definition of similarity of triangles, these two triangles are similar to each other, right? This is your choice question. Here ABCD, MATH, these two triangles, these two rectangles are similar. Here ABCD and MATH are two rectangles are given. By the condition of similarity, are these two rectangles are similar or not? This is your question, my dear friends. Because I hope that you have to understand this concept of about similar triangles today, our first video. By seeing this video, you can try one question, then only you will get the subject better. So that is the reason I am giving one choice question for you. This answer you have to send in our comment box, then I will be happy. And those who are making likes, those who are making a subscription for our channel, you are my family. I feel like our family. So till then, practice well. Thank you very much.